I'm opening the MC01 Vibe box and taking out the user manual. I'm taking the MC01 Vibe car display out of the box. I'm taking a smaller box with accessories out of the main box. I'm taking out a screen wipe. I'm taking out a windshield screen mount. I'm taking out a standing mount. I'm taking out a 3.5mm jack audio wire. I'm taking out a power cord. MC01 Vibe car display, the screen wipe, the user manual and the power cord placed next to each other. The windshield mount, the standing mount, and the 3.5mm audio jack wire placed next to each other. I'm adjusting the height of the rear camera on the MC01 Vibe device. I'm operating the MC01 Vibe device, switching between tabs, adjusting screen brightness, and similar settings.